This is the FOXT Flight Team.
3 years ago, two divisions of FOX came together, forming a joint operation to enhance news gathering. Fox News and Fox television stations formed the FOXT Flight Team. With over 95 pilots and more than 40 drones to date, we have taken storytelling to the next level.
To me, this really adds another dimension to our coverage. We want to evoke emotion in people and show them the full picture.
It's been such a positive experience flying a drone for Fox. It lets me tell the story in a totally different way. And things that we've had trouble illustrating in the past, it really sheds a light on it and lets us show things that we wouldn't have been able to show before.
Drones amp up news gathering. It allows you to show things that you would not be able to just get from the ground.
These women have taken on the biggest breaking news stories and captured critical footage when it mattered most.
We were able to use the drone to cover a story out in the Nevada desert over top of the Hyperloop, which is a new form of technology that people have never seen before. So we were able to go up over the Hyperloop and see how wide, how long, how expansive it was, and we could mimic the motion of the Hyperloop from above it. We would have never been able to do that with a regular camera.
We have visually challenging stories, so the drone has been really helpful to us. We're always looking for ways to creatively bring people into a story.
These are our female pilots taking news gathering to a higher level. This is the FOXT Flight Team.